Hi everyone over there at Beck's Family Roofing. My name is Charles. I work with your local SEO professionals, a company here in Philadelphia. I also live in Philadelphia. I'm shooting you this video, a quick customized video just to analyze your website and hopefully give you a few tips so that you can be able to draw and pull in more clients using your website. So why am I doing this? Well, for one thing, 92% of consumers visit local businesses' websites when deciding which business to use. So it's pretty important to build your online presence. And also, let's face it, there are tons of CEO companies out there after your money every day because no matter what industry you're in, you want more customers. And we know that building your online presence will help you get more customers. But I also understand a lot of the time you don't know, business owners don't know which internet expert to trust and whether it's affordable or not. So I want to kind of prove myself. I want to show you a couple of things you can do right now. Actually, you can do today for free, and they will help you bring in more customers. You can show these tips to your website or SEO person. No harm, no foul if you don't go with me. But I want to show you three things that are important and that can help you rank higher than your competitors. All right, so I don't want to waste any more of your time. Let me get started. The three things I want to talk about are content, citations, and backlinks. So what is content? Content is everything that you see that I've highlighted here. All the words, the pictures, the text behind the pictures, all this is content. Google likes you to have between 1,000 and 1,500 words. I think you have around 1,000 words or so, so that's good. However, you also need keyword-rich content, meaning keywords, the phrases that people search for when they're looking for business. For example, I Googled roofer in Philadelphia. Your competitors are here. I'm sorry, this is page 4 of the results, and this is where you're at. Your top competitor, if I go back to the beginning, page 1, in the organic results is Philly's Finest Roofing. So I'm going to use them as an example. However, just back to content. Your content looks good. All I'd say is add more keywords, these phrases that users use. So when Google looks at your page, it knows that it should put you in front of consumers. So that's it for content, but I'm going to get back to keywords in a bit. So second thing I want to talk about are citations. Usually after someone Googles a keyword, you'll find the ads. Then you'll see these grouped businesses under a map. This is called the map pack. And the way to rank here is to get more and more of what are known as citations. Citations are when your business name, address, and phone number are cited in different directories across the internet. For example, Yelp, Better Business Bureau, White Pages, YellowPages.com, all these directories. The more reliable directories you're in, the higher your rank here. So it's pretty easy to beat anyone here. Just hunt for more and more citations. Now, the third thing I want to talk about are known as backlinks, and that has to do with what we call the organic searches, which are below the map pack. Now, to rank here depends on the quality and strength of your backlinks. What are backlinks? Backlinks, you can think of them as a link on a different web page that directs people to your web page. So let's say a forum in New Jersey on roofing had your link on their web page. That would be a backlink, and that would be strong because that has a lot to do with your business, because not all backlinks are created equal. If a link from McDonald's links to your website, that has nothing to do with what you do as a service. So Google will tell that is not a really strong backlink. It might even look spammy. I use this tool called Ahrefs. It's a popular tool to kind of analyze different websites. And I can see you have about 56 backlinks. Your competitor Philly's Finest Roofing has 105 backlinks. Now, to beat their backlinks, first of all, I would look at the strength of their backlinks. They're pretty weak, so I'd want to look for higher strength backlinks. Not only that, if you go into this tool, you can see exactly which backlinks that they have. So it would just be a matter of going into these sites and making sure that they also link to your site. Furthermore, there are only 105, so I would try to double or triple the number of backlinks so that I appear up here. Those are the three things I wanted to mention: citations, content, and backlinks. I mentioned I'm going to talk about keywords for a second. Now, this is why it's important I like to do this exercise to show you why it's important to have good keywords all throughout every page of your website. So we're going to take your competitor's website. These are the keywords he ranks for. So when someone searches for roofer in Philadelphia, like I did, 150 people search for it per month. They're in position 2 and 1, actually. If I click on it, I can tell which websites rank for that one keyword. They're in position 1 and 2. They get 28 people going to the website because of that. Where are you? You guys, for that one keyword, you rank 35, which is probably on like the 7th, the 5th, the 4th page of Google. That's what we saw. So if we were to saturate and have anchor text with your keywords and build your backlinks, you'd be able to grab a good share of this traffic. So imagine if 20 people now are coming to your website, and say your conversion rate is even 10%. So with a conversion rate of 10%, you probably have let's say you have 2 new clients because of this one keyword. What would that mean to you? Well, I just Googled the average cost of roof replacement, 6,000, between 6 and 7,000. I'm going to take 6,000. 2 times 6,000 means 12,000 extra dollars, simply because you rank higher with one keyword. Now let's go back and look at all the keywords that your competitor ranks for. And look at the volume for these local search results. Roofing companies in Philadelphia, 150 people search for that every month. They're position 4 and get 13 people coming in. Now, depending on the conversion rates, the more keywords that you rank for, the more traffic you'll have, therefore the more clients you'll be getting. So it would be a simple thing of outranking them with these keywords and then adding more buyer intent keywords on your website. And that's what's known as keyword research. So I hope I've shown you guys something. Thanks so much for your time. I'm trying to keep this below 10 minutes. Once again, show this to your SEO website person. Hopefully you'll be able to draw in more clients. And if you want to save time, you can always call me or email me at charles@yourlocalseopros.com, and we can talk about partnering. Thanks again for your time, and have a great day.